my goodness, Microsoft recently just celebrated their 10-year anniversary and they're celebrating with us, their users. I got my very first Surface product a couple years ago and I gotta say I was so impressed when I did. The quality behind their products is really just top notch. For my day job, I practically live on Microsoft 365. To be able to have it integrated onto my Surface devices is absolutely fantastic. But enough of me just gushing over Surface. Let's go ahead and see what they sent us. All right, well, this is a hefty box. Let's go ahead and see where we could go ahead and slice. It's okay, it appears to be on this end. Oh, it's a hefty boy. Oh my goodness, how cute is this? Can you see that? Oh no, I need a wider angle here. 10 years of Surface right on the box, so cute, Surface. All right, so first thing we see here is gonna be, ooh, we have a plush pillow, and I gotta say, I love the confetti. It's like they know I make a mess unboxing things. Oh goodness, oh. So typically I always have a nice little throw blanket on my chair here. I take it out for the videos, but I really do love a nice cozy blanket. Ooh, we have this cute box. What's in the box? Ooh, little sweets, peppermint. I am a little late in unboxing this. I've been a little busy, but in the spirit of the holidays, nice little peppermint. Oh, so cute. Set these off to the side. Oh my God, so cute. A little mug, 10 years of Surface with some, it looks like marshmallows. Are these stickers or are they tattoos? Are they stickers or are they tattoos? I think these are stickers, but they very well could be tattoos. Oh, with the little Surface logo. Absolutely adorable. Ooh, little marshmallows, also with the 10 years of Surface. That is absolutely adorable. I am so excited and so grateful. Thank you so much, Microsoft, for sending this over. 10 years of innovation, design, originality, creation, and community. There's no one else we'd rather be celebrating. Thanks for being part of the Surface family. Thank you. Decided, oh my goodness. How cool is this? Oh my goodness, that is so adorable. All right, let's get this ginormous box. Anything else hiding in here? Set this off to the side. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Oh my goodness, I was not expecting this and I'm kind of put on the spot, but from what I remember, they have up to 20 hours of battery life and they are Bluetooth, so they should pair and play nicely with all of your products. And they also have noise cancellation built in, and those features should not be limited based on the device that you're using. I also know that they have Cortana built in. Oh my goodness, let's go ahead and open these guys up. Oh, I was not expecting an unwrapping of plastic. You know how I like plastic. Shimmy this guy out of the box. Oh, nice, nice. I really like this bow. I wish my bows came out that way. Oh my God, they even come with a carrying case. Okay, okay. We got a manual. All right. Oh my God, a carrying case that's not embarrassing to be out with in public. Oh my goodness. Okay, so cool. Okay, we got charging cables, I would presume, right? Okay, so they charge USB-C. Oh, and an auxiliary cable. Thank you so much for those. Oh my God, so cute. So they're this beautiful matte black finish. Oh, this nice cushioning. It feels like it's gonna be so comfortable. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's give these guys their first try on so we could judge how comfy. Oh, wow. Even just the cushions block out the sound. They're not even turned on yet. How do I look? Oh my goodness. Okay, so these spinny wheels, one controls the volume and the other controls how much noise canceling you want. I know personally, I live in the city. I can't have it turned all the way up, especially if I'm walking around. You have to be alert to your surroundings, cars, other people. So it's really nice that you're able to adjust how much noise cancellation you want when you're utilizing your headphones, right? And so as we look right here, I was absolutely correct. It looks like they charge USB-C. You have your headphone jack, and then as well as being able to turn on your microphone or turn it off. And then you have a power button. That is groundbreaking, right? Being able to turn off your headphones when they're not in use. Astounding. Yes, Apple. We should be able to turn off our headphones. Oh my goodness, this matte black color in these cushions feels so comfortable on my head. I'm actually looking forward to going back to work tomorrow and going on those team calls as well as listening to some music. Oh my goodness. So again, I was not expecting this, and I do plan on revisiting the Surface headphones 2 in a follow-up video. Thank you so much, Surface, for sending these over. I know you guys are gonna be celebrating for decades to come. Please join me in wishing Surface a happy 10th anniversary in the comments down below. Be sure to hit that like button while you're down there. Subscribe if you haven't. And until next time, I'll see ya.